We all love YouTube for the variety of content it has to offer. Did you know there are an equally good number of features present in the platform where you can read subtitles of a video in the language of your choice, change the color of a play bar, etc. If you want to know more about such things, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the 10 awesome YouTube tips and tricks. Do you want to share a funny moment of a video or a live stream with others? YouTube Clip is a fantastic way to share shorter versions of videos. To use this, open a video, select this, or sometimes it can be found when you click the three dots. A small window will then appear where you can move the sliders to create start and end points and hit the share clip. It will create a link to the clip which can be shared with others. When they open this link, it will navigate to the portion of the video chosen by you. Whoever gets this link will see just the part you sent. If you have used the download feature on your Android or iOS device, you'll know how this feature works. If you're not familiar with it, let me tell you that this is one of the best features of the platform and is now available for the web version. As the name suggests, you can use this feature to download videos and save them on your computer, so you can watch them offline. That's right, even if you're not connected to the internet, you can open YouTube and watch your downloaded video. The resolution available for download currently is not great, but you can expect it to improve over time. Are you irritated by seeing channels or videos of a topic on your homepage that you aren't interested in? There are a few ways to remove them, at least temporarily. If you're using the web version, when you click on these three dots, select the Not Interested feature, which will stop recommending videos from that channel or a particular topic. Second method is, if you're seeing content related to the search results, then remove them from here. Third and the final method is by going into Data and Privacy. Under History Settings, disable or pause the second option and set Auto Delete activity to older than 3 months. After performing these methods, you'll see an improvement in recommended videos and channels that you're most likely to watch or follow. YouTube has a brilliant feature that allows you to not only view captions in English, but also gives the option to auto-translate the subtitles in a different language. When you play a video, enable English-generated subtitles, then select the auto-translate feature and choose a language of your choice. Generally, the quality of translations by auto-translate can vary, so some may be accurate while others may contain errors. However, if you're trying to understand a video in a language you're not fluent in, this can be a useful feature. Here's a cool trick that you might have not known. First, open any video and then type in the word awesome. Your playback bar will turn into a multicolor flickery bar. How cool is that? If this is annoying, type in the word awesome again to revert to the original. Picture-in-picture, or also called as PIP feature, allows you to watch a video in a small window while you continue to do other things on your computer. It's quite simple to access this feature. When you right-click twice on a video, you'll see the option of a picture-in-picture. That's it. Now move this anywhere on the screen and you're good to go. Are you listening to your favorite music and don't want it to ever end? Then right-click on the video and enable the loop feature. Now you can keep on dancing to that favorite tune without any worries about manually playing a video again. This next feature will be useful for parents who have underage children. Since YouTube has content for all age groups, it is highly advised that the parents use the restricted mode feature to limit the exposure of potentially offensive content. This can be enabled by going to your profile and selecting restricted mode. Do keep in mind that this is not a perfect filter that will block 100% of all kinds of inappropriate content. So sometimes you'll have to manually keep a check on it. If you're a content creator or want to learn in-depth information about a video, Stats for Nerds is an old feature on YouTube that allows users to see frame rate, resolution, codec, and other information. This can be accessed by right-clicking on a video. It can be used to understand how a video was encoded, which can be used to troubleshoot issues with playback or performance. The final feature on the list is Transcript feature. Most English-based videos will have this feature, which converts the speech into text and provides timestamps for every moment. For example, you're watching a tech video and want to know the important details about the software for improvement. The transcript feature will come in handy as it will allow you to gather all the important instructions or details of the software, making it easier to follow and understand the content of the video. Also, by clicking on any timestamp, it will guide you to the specific segment of the video. Well, that's all for today. If you have learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye!